Hello, welcome to Group 7's presentation on class. I'm Ben Corey, majoring in elementary education. To go along with my presentation on class, I've prepared a short PowerPoint. Class. Class is made up of some of the basics of class. The most fundamental basic of class is that it's the social stratification of people based on their economic status. While this can mean a bunch of different stuff, any kind of class or level of class, whether it be poor or rich, can be made up of different ethnicities and cultures. Individual classism is another part of class, which refers to attitudes of prejudice towards people with less money. So this is like people who make greater amounts of money looking down upon people who do not make as much. In the United States, all statuses of class are seen from the poor to the rich. For the presentation, I've decided to pair it with the movie Freedom Riders. In Freedom Riders, a young teacher who comes from a different social class than the students she works with, she has to overcome this through a variety of different methods. Throughout the movie, she has to find ways to connect with her students. One of the best ways she finds to connect with her students is through the Holocaust movement and how people were prejudiced against. It represents the lowest class with a wide variety of races and cultures. Class in the real world. It begins with education. One of the most fundamental basics is having the ability to educate people of all classes in the United States. Now, it's not always possible to get equality education, but the goal of the country should be to work towards equality education. That way, everyone has the opportunity to get a good education here in the United States. Also, welfare programs since the Great Depression and Franklin Delano Roosevelt has popped up. Welfare programs in the United States has continued to grow since then. Now, that concludes the first part of the presentation. In the second part of the presentation, I will focus on the Cultural Immersion Project.